Hey, it's Dom and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, for today's video, it's gonna be a Thanksgiving dinner celebration with my family. So, samahan nyo kami. Doon kami celebrate sa bahay nila Tito Max sa Markham. So, I'll bring you there guys. Hi ate! Hi Adelaide! Adelaide, say hi! Peekaboo! And Daddy! We're here in Markham. Hi Emma!
Hello!
Adelaide!
This is ECE.
So behave.
Doing easy.
I'm doing ECA.
She just needs to be I told you it's up for
Hi Camille! Happy Thanksgiving! Say hi!
I like your hair, bebe.
Did you do this? Who did this?
Nandito na kami sa Markham guys. Say hi! That's my sister at Jacka. Hi, this is my cousin Camille. So we're doing a Thanksgiving dinner guys. Hi Georgie! Hi Kale! Happy Thanksgiving guys!
You too.
The Virgo boys.
Virgo boys! Say hi Alvin Dexter, my husband.
I was everything a little bit, but not too much.
This is my cousin Anushka. Hi!
Eating a lot of processed
Maria.
food, right? So I don't eat.
Cousin Camille. She's cutie.
I eat rice.
Adelaide! Hi! With Uncle Troy! Kinikilig ka na naman. Mahilig ka sa pogi. She's so behave. What are you thinking, anak? Say hi. Peekaboo.
Oh, to be an actual.
That's Tito Mac and Tita Susan. And I think this is Riley, baptism. So this is Tita Susan. Tito Mac. Hi Tita! Happy Thanksgiving! Hi Adelaide, look. Adelaide, say Happy Thanksgiving. Boo, peekaboo. Happy Thanksgiving. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to me. I want to meet you. Hi. Hi Adelaide, you like the room here? Hi Audrey.
Hi.
Hi Anaya. Happy Thanksgiving. I miss you too, Bum Bum. Hi Ate Andrea. Hi Amari.
Audrey! Audrey, I missed you.
Hi Atina.
I just said it there because I played wrong.
Hi Amari. Amari, hi.
What's up, dude?
Hi Riley. Andre is here. Hi Andre.
Hello.
Say hi to my fans.
My fans.
Can you track your mom? Oh, thank you, sister.
Alam ko na kung sinong paborito mo. Maria.
Thank you, babe. Oh, daming naman. May chuk-chuk pa. Thank you,
Sis, alam ko na kung sinong paborito mo.
Baka na makita ko nagugustuhan. I love it. Maganda. Thank you very, very much. Lumipad nga.
Jaka, utang mo na yung akin ah. For okay.
It's okay, I understand it. Sanay naman kami si...
Oh, excuse me. Laging bongga gift ko noon ah.
Saan na nabilis? Ano yung beauty box? Mart!
Ma'am. Hi.
Ayaw niya na
Hey sis.
Hi, sis. She don't want spring roll na. She wants this.
Hi, Emma Grace.
Hello.
Adelaide. Say hi. Adelaide. Kumakain na naman. Diyos ko Lord.
already have an extension.
Yung food namin, guys.
When I'm in Mexico,
Hindi pa. Dadagdagan ko, guys.
So funny, I loved it.
Rosie, hi.
Bali,
Ito, Mac. Hi, Lala. No, kamay ka. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy.
Ate, kuya. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Ito yung food namin, guys. Ito yung handa namin. Happy birthday, Ate Jeka. Happy birthday, Caleb. Happy Thanksgiving. So here's our food, guys.
Did I get it? Did I get it?
Imagine us. Okay, guys, can you...
Kare-kare, lumpia. Sa to, ano ata ito eh? Crispy something.
Let's eat. Let's eat. We're done. We're done. Like, all the just like this. We're done. Like, okay, we're done. Let's okay, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
This is the
Si Adelaide kami, lakas kumain.
spoiler grandma kung ano-anong pinapakain sa apo niya. Ipupud mukbang. Make a wish! Yay!
Alright, you guys can eat something. Thank you to our maker, Auntie.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So currently it's a Sunday and it's 5:12 p.m. Kaka-start ko lang mag-vlog. Papunta tayo ng Ajax to chill with mom and dad. And, you know, just hang out, mukbang. So we are on our way right now. Andito kami sa gas station muna, guys. May binili lang si Daddy Alvin. Gutom na ako, so I'm excited to eat. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung kakainin namin. And, so yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a sunny day. So, let's have a good day. Currently, it's so traffic, guys. So, we're still on the highway. So, I'm not really sure what's happening. So hopefully, malagpasan namin tong traffic so we can get there as soon as possible para hindi tayo tambay sa traffic. Guys, currently it's so traffic kasi may accident dito. So it's a heavy accident kasi may mga ambulance. So we're trying to pass the road as safely as we can. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ambulance. So may mga ambulance, ayan, kasi talagang heavy accident. Ayan guys, alis na tayo sa traffic. So smooth road na, wala nang traffic. So maganda na yung flow ng takbo ng mga car. Hey guys, so we're here at Ajax now. So my brother is not here. So it's my mom and dad. So hi mom. Say hi to my vlog. This is my mom. Ma.
Hello.
My mom is so pretty. I like her hair. She's Doña Popita. Hi guys, so we're chilling with my dad. Say hi guys. Hi guys.
Hello, how are you there?
Wait, you know why I'm funny? Got it from my dad. Grabe guys, my dad loves me so much. Nagpaluto siya ng favorite kong ulam. So I'll show it to you guys. So this is my dinner guys. That's my favorite chicken curry. I only eat Filipino chicken curry with lots of potatoes. Ang sarap ng ulam ko, guys. Chicken curry cooked by my mom. And thanks, Dad. So, me and Ate are eating. So, si Ate's fam. Oh my God, looks so good. Kain na tayo, guys. Adelaide! Hi, Lolo! Lolo! Say hi! Lolo bonding with Adelaide, with Inday Pini. Bonding with Inday Pini. Lolo and Inday Pini.
Dito kami sa metro guys.
Oh, give the book to Lolo. Give the book to Lolo. Tapos yung pinapabili ni Give the book!
Ikot siya.
Good morning, guys. It's officially Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving Day, everybody! So, ayan si Adelaide nasa likod ko. Maingay siya. We're still here at Ajax. Dito kami natulog. Nagbonding kami with Mom, Dad, and Lolo. And right now, we're just about to have our breakfast. Gigisingin ko na si Ate Andrea and Alvin so they can eat breakfast too. We have Spam. And we have some eggs. And we have some sisig and corned beef for breakfast. So thanks, Mom, for cooking. And we have some fried rice. I'll show you guys. My mom cooks some fried rice. It's Thanksgiving. And yeah, that's the coffee. And this little child of mine, gutom na siya, so naka-5 subo na siya ng fried rice from my mom. Wow! Sarap yarn!
May spam
Good
na siya.
job!
Kaya hindi na siya nag-uuli.
Kami na lang muna nila Mom and Dad ang kakain kasi tulog na tulog pa sila Andrea and Daddy Alvin. So, kain tayo guys. Ang sarap ng breakfast. Hi guys, this is my plate. Cooked by my mom. So, I have some corned beef, spam and egg, and some coffee. Kain tayo guys. So, I'm gonna have my first bite of breakfast. So, corned beef by my mom.
Pinapakain ko na kasi habang hawak mo na.
Ang sarap ng fried rice, guys. Tsaka yung corned beef. Nandito na si Adelaide and Dad. So, hi Dad and Adelaide. Banding sila.
Ayaw na ng corned beef. Gusto na bigyan kita.
And my mom.
Hi!
Dad, mahilig siya sa ano.
Spam.
Yeah. Pero mahilig siya sa fried rice.
Pakainin mo muna ng fried rice. Kumain na kasi ng isang buong ano yan.
Spam.
Spam. Kaya ulam kanin naman siya. Oh.
Sarap, guys. Gising na si Daddy Alvin. Hi, babe.
Iluto mo yung gitna. Oh.
Babe, say hi. Happy Thanksgiving, Dexter.
Di pa register.
Hi, Adelaide.
May ngipin na sa akin.
May yung molar niya.
Di, nakalimutan mo si Albert. Ano?
Go to your grandpa.
Pansisig ni Albert yan.
Dapat pag binidyo kita, dapat tummy suck in kasi titingnan mo sa Hi, ate! Yan, gising na si ate Andrea.
Ate, kain ka.
Ayan guys,
I thought you forgot.
kumakain si ate Andrea ng spam and fried rice. Ate, after you eat, get ready, ha? Say hi, Ate Andrea. Wave your hand to the fans. Guys, dito kami natulog ni Daddy Alvin at saka ni Adelaide sa room ni Kuya Andre. So, syempre, kasi paalis na kami, so I have to fix the bed first. So, thank you, Andre. Love you, my nephew. So, tatanggalin ko lang yung mga cover. Kasi, tinatong namin para hindi naman namin ginagamit yung kay Andre. Grabe guys, ang tataas ng kama nila dito. So, medyo nahirapan. Ano ba yung una? Tawag dito, I think it's yung warming blanket. Kasi mabigat siya, oh. Ito yung warming blanket. Kaya, siguro lagi ito ginagamit ni Presidents ni Andre. Ano yung bigat? Andre! Saan ito? Andre, ang dami mong, tubig. Busin mo. Ayan guys, tapos na akong ayusin yung bed ni Andre. Yep, so, inorganize ko lang. Ngayon naman, ayusin ko yung bed ni Athena kasi dito Ma'am! Ang gulo mo naman! Nagsasalita ka palagi sa background! Hi guys! Again, ang kulit ng mom ko. So, dito natulog si Ate Andrea sa bed ni Athena. Tumambay kami dito kagabi. So, now I have to fix the bed. Pasalubugin natin yung mga alaga ni Athena. Daddy Pig. George. Peppa. Or si Cousin Chloe to. I think si Mommy Pig to. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na makilala yung mga pig. Ayan guys, tapos na ako maglinis ng bed ni Ate Athena. So thank you Athena for letting Ate Andre sleep on your bed. Ito na pala yung pinaprint sa akin ni Andre guys. Ang ganda ng picture frame na pinili niya. And then, ito pa yung isa. Diba, Andre? Ang ganda nung pagka-print. Thanks, HP Printer. Ganda rin yung picture frame na pinindon mo, be. Hi, guys! Happy Thanksgiving! Say Happy Thanksgiving, ate.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So, we're about to go home. Thank you, Ajax residents. Team Plancha on Ajax. Happy Thanksgiving! Hindi na namin nahintay sila, kuya. Pauwi na sila from their outing, but we're just about to go home. So, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hi, Adelaide, Anaya's sister now. Same hair with Ate Anaya.
Smile, smile, baby, smile.
Guys, I just want to show you yung dining table nila, kuya. It's fall season. So, it's a fall theme on their dining table. Sorry, maingay guys, kasi marami nagtatalk sa background ko. Kausap ni Mom si Aunt Pen, si Lolo at Daddy at Alvin nag-uusap sa sala, sa kabila. So, ang ganda lang. So, just wanna shout out, Ate Winnie. Ang ganda ng gawa ng ayos mo. So, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Show them your bag. Adelaide.
Ala, lalabas ko lang siya, oh. Dalag na yung bag.
Hi, show your bag. Arte.
Maayos pa yung bahay.
Hey, say bye-bye, everybody.
Naging Nigerian pa ngayon.
Adelaide, show them your bag. Go walk like a model. Ayaw niya, ginugulo mo siya, babe.
Tsaka kay Alvin.
Nagreklamo.
Pinapakialaman yung diskarte niya.
Adelaide, come, walk.
Ang ganda ng bag niya, Daddy. Saan mo binili?